What is IRS Form 8880? IRS Form 8880 reports contributions made to qualified retirement savings accounts. This form determines whether you qualify for the Retirement Savers Credit and how much money you can claim. The Savers Credit is a tax credit that's available to individuals who make contributions to eligible retirement plans, including: who can file IRS Form 8880? Anyone who plans to claim the Savers Credit on their taxes will complete Form 8880 and file it with their tax return. Point 1. To be eligible for the Savers Credit, you must be at least 18 years old. Not a student. Not claimed as a dependent on another person's tax return. If you meet those criteria, complete Form 8880 to determine the tax credit you may claim for your retirement plan contributions. How to file IRS Form 8880. You can file Form 8880 by printing out a copy of the form and completing it, then mailing it to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. If you prefer to file your taxes electronically, you can complete Form 8880 online. If you're using online tax filing software, you can follow the prompts to enter the correct information and calculate the credit. Point 2. It's helpful to understand how these calculations work, especially if you're completing the form by hand. The one-page form is simple, but it does require that you enter specific information. You must include total contributions to traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and ABLE accounts for the year, not including rollover amounts. You must also include total elective deferrals to a 401k or another qualified employer plan. You also need to know your adjusted gross income, AGI, because this determines the percentage of the credit you can claim. Point 1. The Savers Credit is worth 10%, 20%, or 50% of your traditional or Roth IRA contributions. Elective salary deferral contributions to a 401k, 403b, governmental 457b, SARSEP, or simple plan. Voluntary after-tax employee contributions made to a qualified retirement plan, including the Federal Thrift Savings Plan, or 403b plan. 501c, 18d, plan contributions. ABLE account contributions.